The color Beige Latte was partially featured in our episode on Bison Brown, but today I have even more models to show you in this lighter shade. Spectrum offers PLA high speed that can reach printing speeds of up to 800 mm per second on 0.4 mm nozzle. Unfortunately, my printers have extruders that only reach 45 cubic millimeters per second of flow, which corresponds to around 500 millimeters per second. But that is still very doable on simple geometry. Nevertheless, let's take a look at these 3D models printed with Spectrum PLA high-speed Beige Latte. To me, it's warm, darker beige. Exactly how a latte should look. Just look at this transition starting from ebony wood PLA moving into Beige Latte and ending with traffic white PLA from the filament. Looks convincing, right? Let me know in the comments. Let's go further. I printed some fuzzy skin samples for a previous episode, which is linked in the description, of course, so we can see how nicely the texture fits this color. We have simple fuzzy skin, horizontal fuzzy skin, and one with random seams. This one. It looks quite nice in my opinion. This big bowl was printed with fuzzy skin set to a thickness of 0.4 mm and distance of 10 mm. This gives us these nice horizontal lines that hide every layer line. I also printed these 3 cups for pens and office accessories, with fuzzy skin of course, and they look amazing. To inspire you a bit more on how to use this color, I printed this basket. It requires a lot of supports and retractions. You might see some minor stringing due to the low viscosity of the filament. But this is easily removed with a little bit of heat. A basket like this is a great looking container for minimalist, bright decor in a living room, bedroom or bathroom. It's not too bright and not too dark. My wife loves it. Moving on, the weather outside is getting nicer and bicycle trips are just around the corner. So I found this fork, spoon and butter knife kit for occasions like that. Seems nice, right? I'm not forcing you to print it in this specific color, but speed is crucial here. When you need to leave in a few minutes and realize you're missing a utensil, high-speed PLA is a lifesaver for last-minute prints. All those models will be linked in the description, don't worry. On the temperature tower, you can see that 250 degrees Celsius is fine for this PLA, but that should really only be used when printing at high speeds. At normal speeds, I suggest using 190°C to 220°C. On this tower, the best results was around 195 degrees Celsius. But as I said, it depends on the model and speed. If you are printing slower, smaller models, use a lower temperature like 195 degrees Celsius. If you are printing big models, at the top speed, you can go as high as 240 and 250 degrees Celsius. And you've probably noticed that this filament is mostly shiny rather than matte. This is because the high-speed filaments are formulated differently. But if you go fast at a low temperature like 190 degrees Celsius, you can get a matte effect, though it might only show up there. If your printer slows down for details, it will turn shiny again. In my opinion, it's better to use this filament with a shiny effect in mind. The last and the best print is this Easter bunny with a basket backpack. It was printed at 0.12 mm layer height, which makes the bunny look flawless, with a satin effect instead of high gloss. Thanks to the low viscosity, we cut the printing time by almost 40% down from 10 hours to just 6. He looks adorable in this color. I'll put some flowers in the back or maybe just chocolate eggs. I hope this video helped you decide if this filament and color fit your needs. and that it was at least a bit inspiring for your next project with Spectrum filaments. Remember to use our code SPECTRUMYT10 to get 10% off at shop.spectrumfilaments.com. Thank you for watching. Now you can pick another great video or just subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. Bye!